Hello, my friends, and welcome to beautiful Miami Beach, Florida. Today we're doing some chair yoga. It'll be all seated. I'm going to be barefoot so that I can move my toes. You're welcome to do the same. If you're not comfortable with that, you just want to have socks or shoes, you're welcome to do that as well. Ready? Let's do this. Let's start with a wide stance. Open your knees out to the side, heels facing inward. Good. And then we're going to bring the toes forward and then heel toe until we have our feet together. Now we're going to bring our hands by our legs and we're going to give them a nice little squeeze. And then again, heel toe until you open out your legs. Let's do that again. Bring them in, walking them in, and out. Once more. Good. Now that they're together, I'm going to give them a little squeeze so that they're together. And breathe here. Good. Release the legs. Now come back to a normal seat. And we're going to inhale, lifting the left arm up. Exhale, let's bring it down. Alternate arms, opposite arm comes up and down. Now this room has two beautiful views. You're currently looking at one. In a little while, I'll switch where I'm sitting so that you can see the other side, which is also beautiful. Originally, we're going to go with a different room and decided to upgrade so that you would get a better experience. Now it is kind of noisy. Nothing I can do about that. But we're going to do the best with what we have. Good. Now we're going to do that again. We're going to lift our arm. This time we're going to rotate our gaze, look forward, and lower it down. Do the same on the other side. Lift the arm, rotate, look front, and lower down. Two more. Last one in each side. Good. Hands come out to the sides. Good. Now sit back so that your back is touching the back of the chair. Extend one leg out. Point the toes up. Good. Breathe here. Hold it up. Engage the core here. For 3, 2, and 1. Lower it down. Good. Lower the arms down. Good. Right leg. Hold it up. Engage the core. 3, 2, and 1. Lower it down. Take a breath here. Let's do that again. Lift the left leg. 3, 2, 1. Lower it down. Right leg. 3, 2, 1. And down. There was a helicopter going around earlier. Okay, come forward in your seat. Plant the feet down. And then we're going to open it. Bring the backs of your heels to touch. And our knees are going to open out to the side. Good. Bring the hands into prayer hands. Elbows come out towards the sides. Good. Tall spine here. And now our hands are going to drift up and above and drift back down by our chest. Inhale and lift. Exhale and lower. Very nice. Let's do 3 more of these. Good. Now bring the feet together. Very nice. Now again on that front edge, we're going to hinge forward. We're going to place our palms to face down. Extend the arms. Superman here or Superwoman. Good. Breathe here. Oh, I have a little birdie friend. And bring the arms down by our side. Good. Let's do that again. This time, matching breath to movement. Arms come out. On the inhale, exhale. Let's bring them down by our side. Inhale. Exhale. Three more. Last one. Very nice. Good. Bringing our feet together. Working on some seated half sun salutations. Inhale, lift the arms up above. Exhale, fold forward. Whichever amount feels right. Maybe hands to feet or shoes. Maybe hands to shins or hands to thighs. Good. Next breath, we're going to place our hands on our thighs and we're going to extend our neck out. Very nice. Next breath, we're going to hinge forward again. Forward fold. And then inhale, bring the arms up above and together. Breath here. Let's find 3 more of those. Inhale, lift. Exhale, forward fold. Hands to thighs, halfway lift. Fold forward. Sweep the arms up above. And together. And down. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Flat back. Fold forward. Sweep the arms up. And together. Very nice. Catch your breath here if you need to. Let's do that again. Arms up. Fold forward. Hands to thighs. Extend the chin out. Fold. Sweep the arms up above. And together. Good. Breath here. Okay, we're bending our right knee. We're going to extend our left leg out. Now I have handles here, so I can't pivot any further than this because of the handles. But if you have a seat that doesn't have handles on it, you can probably move this leg a little bit further to the side, and that's fine. Now this leg, yours isn't open as wide, that's okay. You can always just bend it and let the tops of your toes rest on the ground. If you are comfortable with extending your leg, you can bend your toes. Good. Now, bring both hands to your right knee. And then we're going to open our arm out and bring it back to that knee. Inhale and lift. Exhale, bring it down. Good. 3 more. Here's 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring both feet together. Take a breath here. Let's go for the other side. Extend your leg. I'm limited in space, so this is all I have. Hand to knee. And then we're going to bring it up and to the hand. Open the arm. And down. 3 more. Here's 3. And 2. And 1. Good. Bringing the feet together. Walk them towards the front. Very nice. Now I want you to lift your toes if that's available to you. Lift the toes up. Good. And then bring them down. Lift them up and down. Lift and lower. Very nice. Let's do 4 more. Here's 4 and 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now lift the leg up. We're going to hold on to it. We're going to rotate at the ankle. And gently find rotation in the opposite direction. Good. And then we're going to work on a figure 4. So you can, option 1 is to fold at the ankles, fold at the knees, or if it's available to you, bring the leg further up. Good. Now from here, we're going to hinge forward. This is normally how I do pigeon, but we're going to challenge it a little bit more. We're going to bring our hands underneath our right leg. As we come forward, we're going to hold on to our leg there. Aha, see what I did? We look like a big knot. Hold here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently coming back up. Now don't lower your leg, keep it where it's at. And then we're going to bring our hands into prayer hands, elbows out to the side. And starting with our left elbow, we're going to tip it down. Maybe it touches our leg, maybe it doesn't. Bring it back up. Now tip it the other way. Good. Keep going. Side to side, tip, and back. Tip, back. Let's do 4 more. Here's 4. And 3. 2. And 1. Good. Now you're anxious to lower that leg. Lower it, heel to the ground, bring the toes up. Slide your hand down. Good. Take a breath here as we stretch the back of our leg. Good. Bring that leg in. Good. Now we get to do it on the other side. Remember, you can always cross at the ankles, cross at the knees, or slide it higher up. And we're going to start by inserting our hands under our legs so that we give it a hug. Good. Fold forward as you do so. If you need to do it with one hand and hold on to the chair with the other one, that's okay too. Let's breathe here. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently making yourself upright. Keep the leg where it's at. If you need to lower it and pick it back up, you're welcome to do that. Take a breath here. Good. Let's bring the hands into prayer hands. Elbows point out to the sides. Good. We're going to go side to side. This time we're going to start with our right elbow. Right elbow comes down to touch and back to center. down to touch, and center. Remember, if it doesn't touch, that's okay. We are all works in progress. 3 more, my friends. Here's 3. And 2. And 1. Very nice. Now gently lower that leg down, heel to the ground, point the toes up. Now bring it higher up so you can see what I'm doing. Good. Now slide the hands down. Breathe here. Good, and release it down. Good. Next, we're going to shrug our shoulders. We're going to bring them towards our ears and bring them back. So up and down. Good. Now bring your left ear towards your left shoulder and extend your left arm out to the side, to the bottom. And then find a little movement there with your wrist. You're going to make little circles with your wrist. If that's too much sensation, you can just bring the ear towards the shoulder. That's okay if it doesn't touch. Now reverse that circle the other way. Good. Now bring your head upright. And we're going to slide our hand forward and back. Like we're gently pushing water. Very nice. Switching sides. Extend the hand. Right ear to right shoulder. And making little circles with the wrist. You're probably going to find that there's one side that feels worse than the other. A little tighter. And gently reverse the direction, go the other way. Good. Bring yourself upright. Take a moment here. Hands together, and we're going to gently push them in one direction, back to center, push them, and center. Good. Now extend the palms forward like you're pushing into a wall. Very nice. Hands to the legs, working on cat-cow. Inhale and lengthening through the top of our head. Exhaling, arch the back. Inhale and lift. Exhale and arch. Inhale, lift. Exhale, arch. Two more. Good. Back to center. Very nice. Thank you so much for joining me today. Many blessings. Namaste.